everyone! Today I'm going to walk you through how to DIY a phone case step by step with the HTVRONT H17 phone case heat press. This video is divided into 5 parts. 1. What you need to prepare. 2. Software download and connection. 3. Design, upload and printing. 4. Settings and heat pressing. 5. Recommended parameters and fixture tips. Let's start with what you'll need. You'll need the H17 phone case heat press, sublimation film, a phone case fixture, heat-resistant gloves, heat-resistant tape, tweezers, a blank phone case, plus a sublimation printer and a computer. Next is the software. Open your browser, download the software, and follow the instructions to install and log in. Once installed, open Idea Studio, click Add Device, and select H17 phone case heat press. Now it's time to prepare your design. In the software, select the correct phone model. Upload your own image or choose one from the built-in library. Adjust the size and position, making sure the design completely fills the green frame. Because sublimation film is smooth and transparent, some printers may have trouble feeding or detecting it. Before printing, attach the included label sticker. If you've run out of stickers, heat-resistant tape or masking tape works as well. If feeding is still unstable, place a sheet of A4 paper behind the film to increase friction. Once everything looks good, click Print. Your design is now ready. This next part is very important. Let's go through the machine operation. Here's a quick overview of the buttons. Short press the power button to turn the machine on. Long press the temperature button for 2 seconds to switch between degrees centigrade and degrees Fahrenheit. Press the temperature button and when the yellow light is on, you're setting the top temperature. When the red light is on, you're setting the bottom temperature. Based on phone case recommendations, set both to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Press the time button. The yellow light means set up the preheating time. Let's set to 5 seconds. The red light means transfer time, set to 300 seconds. Put on your heat-resistant gloves. Place the fixture into the machine, align it with the heating chamber slots, and install the support fillers according to the model. Close the lid and let the fixture preheat together with the machine for at least 5 minutes. When the start button turns green, preheating is complete. At this point, place the film mat side up on the top lid and let it dry for about 5 minutes. This step is very important. Skipping it may cause moisture bubbles and affect the final result. While the film is drying, clean the phone case surface. Attach the lens pad inside the case and secure it with heat-resistant tape. Be careful not to block the air holes. Most 2-in-1 cases and standard cases with open cutouts do not require camera pads, but make sure to avoid large gaps during installation. If there's no camera pad available for your specific standard case, you can use a similar sized one or fill the space with thermal silicone. Once the film is fully dried, install the phone case onto the fixture. Place the film mat side down, making sure it fully covers the silicone ring. Leave at least 0.5 centimeters, 0.2 inches of extra space around the edges, then close the lid. Short press the start button to begin vacuum transfer. Do not open the lid during the process. When the countdown finishes, the heat transfer is complete. Put on your gloves, open the lid, and peel off the film while it's still hot. And just like that, your DIY phone case is done. You can also use it to make slate coasters, ceramic coasters, badges, ceramic tiles, and more. The process is just as simple. You only need to switch to the flat base plate. You can even use the H17 like a small oven for sublimating pens or making shrink plastic projects. So don't limit it to just one idea. Go ahead and give it a try. Finally, here are some parameter and mold recommendations. These are suggested heat press settings for different items. Keep in mind that consumables from different manufacturers may require slightly different parameters. For best results, we recommend using HTVRONT consumables and following the suggested settings. Here are the usage tips for iPhone fixture. And here are the recommendations for Android fixture. everything you need to know for your first time setup with the HTVRONT H17 phone case heat press. Go ahead and try your first project now. If you have any questions, leave a comment and let's talk.